Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning and organizing my laundry room. I will skip the linen closet because that's going to be a video on its own, but I do have to put some laundry away and deal with this mess. It has gotten so out of hand in here. I'm telling you, I am finding it so hard to get motivated to get anything done around the house since this lockdown. You would think that it would help with a motivation and get things done, but I am just in a runt of a state when it comes to cleaning, but I pushed myself to get things done. I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge called Moonlight Clean With Me. It is hosted by Denise Jordan, This and That with Denise, and there will be a playlist link down below as well as Denise's channel, so make sure you head on over into the description box after you are done watching my video to check out all the ladies participating and get tons of cleaning motivation, and also make sure you check out Denise's channel. So as you saw, I put those towels away and then I moved on emptying the dryer and taking all the things that were hanging on my hanger that I got at IKEA several years ago. They do not carry that anymore. And I'm going to fold the laundry a bit later, but now I moved on to the shelves. I use several different detergents. I use one for darks, I use Tide for darks, I use clear and free for all our undergarments and kitchen rags, and then I have a special one for my workout clothes because I do find the regular detergent does not remove the smell. Now moving on to my other shelf, I store all of my vacuuming supplies, my bra bags as I call them, but they're actually laundry bags to keep things in place while they get washed. And then I also have my steaming cloths in there. Other things that I keep in there are also my iron, the little filling cup for iron, and bleach. Some foundation sheets that I don't use for the dryer, but I use for other things that they're useful for. And I also keep any washing machine cleaners and also some stuff for my carpet cleaner. Then moving on to my countertop, which was a real mess. I tidied it up, kind of arranged everything. I did a whole reorganizing my laundry room last year, which I will post in the description box or in the eye in the sky for you to check out what it looked like before I added several organizational things into it, and that has worked really well. So I didn't really reorganize everything, I just organized with the systems that were already in place. The countertop that sits on top of my machines is actually a tabletop from IKEA. And then these baskets I have thrifted, and I was lucky enough to find two of them. And in one I keep all of my cleaning rags, and in the other I keep my socks, extra socks. And then in the middle I have a tray with a just a decorative vase and an oil diffuser, because I like to put some cleaning scents in there so it smells nice and clean. I'm also cleaning the washing machine now because I was all done with the laundry, and I'm using this Tide washing machine cleaner. You can use bleach, but this stuff smells really good and it gives it a really good refreshing of the washing machine. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and this is my home channel where I share cleaning, organizing, and decorating of my home. I also happen to have a DIY channel and a cooking channel, and those will be linked in the description box if you would like to check them out. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered joining my YouTube family and pressing the subscribe button and a notification bell so you get notified when more of my cleaning, organizing, and decorating videos are posted. Now I moved on cleaning my sink and my cabinet. This was pretty messy, just from things. Sometimes certain people drop dryer lint into the sink instead of a garbage can, and if the sink is wet, it gets all stuck. So that needed to be cleaned, and then I finished it off with washing the floor. So it's all done and it feels like a breath of fresh air. So I'm going to give you a little tour. These two bins, one is for my undergarments and the other one is for kitchen rags, dirty ones. I did not clean under the sink because, as you can see, it's fairly organized. I just keep a cleaning bucket there, garbage, and some drain cleaners. And then I already went over the basket, so here is my cleaning rag basket and my sock basket, and on a tray I also keep face cloths and masks because I will wash those together. This keep the change has become more of a keep anything that I pull out of the pockets jar. I'm DIY that over on my DIY channel, and here are my two cabinets, very well organized, and I love it that way. I will need a new label for this bra bag. And that's a spot where I will be putting my cleaning supplies, which are downstairs. On top, I just keep a shoe drying rack for the dryer and extra bounty sheets. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out Denise's channel as well as the playlist link down below. And like I mentioned before, if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.